Well, we know what we got here because you've read the title. Hopefully. Well, anyway, let's get on with it. An eBay purchase. So hopefully inside is what's on the title. And of course, hope you're all doing well and everything's hunky and dory and all that kind of gubbins. So we go. I'll use my hand here, across the world. 3 venues stopped doing music in the space of 1 week. So earning opportunities are down. Now I'm currently getting the same amount of money I did 15 years ago. 120 between 4 of you. Let's have a look. Nice box. Quite not reasonably packed. We'll file that. Precisely the wrong time. Let's get this bit better. I put my knife away and I need it again. If you haven't got one of these types of things, why not? Just going to save as much of this as possible. Oh, have we got the start? Yes. Yes, everyone likes unboxing, don't they? Blimey. Now, as I said, was 3 venues this week. The Grain and Hot Store, the Bowen of Beef, and Yanka. One wants to concentrate on football. Football on Thursday. Don't understand that. The other one, well, let's say the Grain and Hot Store never actually advertised anything, so it's partly their fault. They won't get as many people in as they could have done. Plus they put it in the upstairs bar, and that's not very well signposted either. Right. And Yanka, right for the tourist season, when it's coming to an end, decided they basically didn't want as many people in the pub. They were losing customers, which is complete bollocks because there are, looks alright to start with, 3 different bars. When we played, it wasn't always packed, but always quite a nice audience. Also, standing room only. No, it's not just a small part of the pub. It's just that they couldn't be asked. We'll find out how to do this. I think we're almost there. I'll make my own bubble wrap company out. Let's wait. My one and only ever active pace. Another close up. We'll start with loft. The old thing there. Seal number. You can get in there. It's 1985. It's not even in tune. I've just bought it. Looks like we have one replacement. Machine head, but hey, I'm 32 years old. Let's have a look at the neck. And that's straight enough. No string tension, so and we'll have a shifty in here, on there, in just one moment. Now, close up. The bridge is, well, reasonably okay for someone that's 30 years old. The normal Westone P style bridge. Neck. Looks like someone's had a go at it. Cleaned it up a bit, which is nice. Headstock nice and shiny. The machine heads are a bit stiff. Whether I take the strings off and the machine heads off and soak them in a bit of naphtha, get them all loosened up and then oil them, is what we'll have to wait and see. I will also have to have a look at how all these knobs work. I'll put it one a volume, tone presumably, but this thing. Bass, treble and a... Oh, it does flick there. You can hear that. Looks like, I think this one is a replacement. Does it do the job? Maybe passive and active. Some in or out of phase. I said we'll have to look it up. Well, that's the original. We'll have to see what it looks like underneath. But overall, yeah. These two, no idea. But we'll continue on doing the... and we'll see what we will see. Obviously someone has been in here before. And there's still quite a reasonable fit. Can we get this up? No, well, I would say that is what you call complicated. It looks pretty okay. Looks like pretty much factory. Well, most of that one maybe not. We can't quite see that. Silly me. Nope, typical. Whoever did replacement this switch, I think. This switch here. This one here, sorry. Looks like I've done quite a competent job. It's all nice and tidy in there. So that's one up to start with. I won't have to bugger around with it. This one swings around. Well, should be, I should well imagine, be the battery compartment. That's typical, isn't it? You think you've got, it's all going, but of course it's going too good. Or else, it's how about a bit of a no, it's not plopping out. So, time to get something that may be of use. Ah, you didn't think of one of these. Oop. Just had more to go. Don't know what's going on here. I certainly haven't seen any kind of a, well, it's a very different looking battery than a normal 9 volt. And someone's done something here, but as long as it works, it works. We'll whack that back on then. One screw to keep it in for now. Turn it back over, and when I read the description, unhook this without doing too much damage. The buyer said, well, the seller rather, there's been a neck problem for finger, fretboard problems, and it has been glued up. It seems to be quite a decent job. Is it any better this way round? Get some light on them. Shed some light on it. Well, it all looks quite a reasonable repair. Maybe just kind of some very light sanding here, maybe taken from I suppose 2000 grit to make this feel a little bit better. The nuts there, they may be, looking at the A-string, maybe come down a gauge. Doesn't look too bad on height. I'm not going to go all into the details of the setup. because that's going to be really boring, and there's a lot of people who do a lot better job than I. Okay, that is it for now, boys and girls.